Luxurious Yamasen 24-quart gold-plated tea set. 24-piece Japanese gold collection. We are unboxing and reviewing the elegant Yamasen Gold Collection Japan 24-quart gold-plated tea set, exclusively available from onemore.com. This stunning 24-piece set features luxurious detailing and craftsmanship that bring a touch of Japan's traditional artistry and luxury to your table. The Yamasen tea set includes 6 cups and 6 saucers perfectly sized, with intricate gold-plated edges that elevate your tea drinking experience. 6 dessert plates, each piece showcases impeccable design and a rich gold finish. 1 dinner plate, a beautiful addition, versatile for many table settings. 1 sugar pot and 1 creamer or milk pot with elegant lids and handles. These pieces are both functional and decorative. 1 large teapot, the centerpiece of the collection, with a smooth pour and exceptional capacity. The tea set is plated with 24-quart gold, providing an opulent, high-quality finish. Made in Japan, each item reflects traditional Japanese artistry with a modern twist. With a stunning combination of vibrant colors and stylish gold accents, this set will be a centerpiece in any home. Ideal for formal gatherings, special occasions, or to elevate your daily tea routine. The Yamasen tea set isn't just a functional item, it's a statement piece. It brings together tradition and luxury with each gold-plated piece, adding elegance to any table. This collection is perfect for hosting special gatherings or even as a cherished heirloom. And whether it's for a personal collection or a memorable gift, the Yamasen Gold Collection sets a standard for luxury and design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this review helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more unboxing and review videos of unique products here on Review and Adventure Hub.